Namaste. A very good Sunday morning to all of you. 21st June has been declared by our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as Yoga Day, and the benefits that yoga has given to entire world, now it is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. Yoga includes mild activities, physical activities like asanas. It includes relaxation. It includes breathing techniques like pranayama and meditation. So in India, yoga has been there in our culture since ages. One of my favorite asana is Surya Namaskar, which is actually an entire full body workout kind of a procedure. So today we are going to talk about some simple and basic asanas that can help all of us to improve our posture, because if our posture is correct, then it can relieve all the kind of back pains and it can give you a very strengthening spinal cord. So let's begin.
First is Gaumukhasana or cow pose. In this procedure, we cross our legs over each other in such a way that the knees are in one line. If you are sitting down or if on chair, sit straight without support. Lift one arm, bend in backwards, and other arm wrap it behind back, allowing fingers of both arms to touching each other. If touching a finger is not possible, then you can use a belt, a strap, or a scarf between the hands. Hold this for 5 breaths and then change the side. When you hold it for 5 breaths, do a very good inhaling and exhaling. Perform this regularly. Next is Vajrasana, the diamond pose. For sitting in this position, fold both the legs forming a triangle of your feet behind, which looks like a diamond, and sit on the folded leg. This automatically straightens the spinal cord, improves the posture, and it is best performed after meals as it also improves the digestion process. Third pose is the Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Lay on your belly and place hands beneath your shoulder. Lift your head, neck and your shoulders from the floor and tighten your elbows. Breathe very correctly while doing this pose. Take almost 5 breaths and then come down again. You can also perform this by inhalation when you go up, resting your breath, and then exhalation while you come down. This pose is very good for back pain, and it is also one of the part in Surya Namaskar.
So I hope that you guys have followed the asanas that I have showed you, and you will be able to make it a part of your routine, and it will really help you to improve your posture. Yoga is one such kind of a physical activity that all age group can follow, and it can give benefits to all kind of age groups. The two important things that you should keep in mind while performing any type of yoga is, one, if you have any of the physical injury or if you have any kind of chronic pain, then it is better to have a guided yoga, or you can consult an expert, or you can learn yoga and then perform it. Second is breathing. Breathing is a key to yoga. Like all the benefits that you get from asanas is just if you do correct breathing. And in recent times, because of COVID-19, it is really important for us to learn the correct way of breathing, because it has become our necessity to wear mask and move out of our house. And all of us, the major complaint that we face with using mask is feeling suffocated. So when you have a correct breathing habit, it will help you to manage your breathing. It will help you to manage your breathing in such a way that you will not feel suffocated and you will be accustomed with the mask. So just know this one thing, that yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. So wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day, and to all the super dads out there, wish you all a very happy Father's Day. Stay connected, stay happy, stay healthy, and please do share, like and comment on this video. Namaste.